Welcome to BX Tech Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to install MinGW and set up the GCC compiler on Windows 11, so you can start writing and running C programs in no time. First, open your browser and search for MinGW download. Click on the official MinGW website and download the setup installer. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. From the package list, select the components you need. Make sure to include MinGW 32 base and MinGW 32 GCC G++. Then click Apply Changes and wait for the installation to complete. Now let's add MinGW to your system's path. Right-click this PC and choose Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and click Edit. Click New and add C/MinGW's bin. Let's check if everything worked. Open Command Prompt and type GCC version. If you see version info pop up, that means MinGW is installed successfully. And that's it! Your C compiler is ready to go on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.